Hello guys, ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Scary Ice Cream Shop. Pick up the phone daw. Ano ba yun? First time ko lang maglaro. Hey, welcome to your new job.
Before you begin, I will teach you how to make ice cream.
Turuan daw tayo.
Now, let's put some
Flavors on it. Pick 3 flavors of your choice and
add them onto the cup.
Vanilla, chocolate, at ano kaya? Strawberry? Ay, bubblegum pala yun guys.
for now. But this one you can throw in the trash bin behind you. If you have the rest of the order, you can throw
Sayang
the ice
naman
cream in
to.
the trash. Okay, flavors will get empty over time.
Okay, may customer na tayo guys. Hintay lang.
To refill them, head to the freezer room and grab the correct box.
Ano daw? Punta daw tayo sa ano? Nandun lang pala.
Alright,
Now just fill it in the empty box.
Okay guys, tapos na.
That's about it.
there's only one last
Thing I'd like to mention.
Ayan na guys, nag-i-start na tayo magtinda.
Last worker, get. Have a great shift.
May tumatawag.
I'm glad you picked up.
You need to listen.
Ano daw yun?
Whatever you do, just pretend she's not there.
Okay.
I have to go now. Pretend she's not there.
Nag-present daw tayo, wala siya. Okay, mag-present tayo guys. Ito tayo dito sa living room. Nakatakot. Let's go, Denise. Normal customer lang pala siya. Tago-tago pa tayo. Rich chocolate. Chocolate daw. Ah. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo. Employee of the month. Please one. Ayan, ito natin yung customer natin. Ano ito? I like an ice cream with vanilla. Ano naman nabigay ko? Mali tayo. Mali tayo. Thank you. Balik pa kayo. Ayan, napapagod naman ako dito. Keep door closed. Ano ba? Ito yung kasama natin, bumibili. I take an ice cream with chocolate and 2 times green apple. Okay, bye. Ignore her. Do not give her ice cream. Bakit kaya? I like an ice cream with green apple. Okay. Okay, tapos na. Ano pa order nyo? Dating pa kayo, bili pa kayo. Sino pa kaya customer natin? Ano di ba ito yung kaklase natin? You know, I take an ice cream with a green apple 2 times. Okay. Ito yung tayo sa storage. Tingnan natin. Ano pa kaya ito? Babae. Please make me an ice cream with chocolate. Okay. Wala rin yung ano. Konti na lang yung yung chocolate tsaka vanilla. Best seller. Ubus na agad ang chocolate at vanilla. Ito naman. Ano order nyo? Vanilla and green apple. Ito na po order nyo. Kunin nyo na po. Okay po, wag na po kayo bumalik. Joke lang, balik po kayo. Sino pa kaya? Ano na po? Nakatakot naman dito, hindi lang. Nakita ko yung mukha. Nakita ko yung pink na mukha. Meron yung ano dito, nakakatakot. Hindi pa kayo. Ano si Bacon? I like an ice cream with green apple and vanilla and chocolate. Dami naman. Diba? Green apple. Okay na po. Iwan tayo na yung stock. Ano pa kaya o-order? Madami pang stocks. Ano to? Nakatakot? Sino ba yun? Okay guys, bye-bye na. Kasi ano na eh. Okay guys, bye-bye na. Wag na kayong maalam. Bye-bye guys. Susunod na lang.